What's up guys, this is Shrikant here from Jeppus Food. Today I'm gonna show you guys a unique fizzy drink of Kerala. I'm gonna try with a different flavor instead of trying with chili, ginger and mint. Let's find out what are the ingredients for this now. Basil or sabja seeds, sugar syrup, ruh afza, lemon juice, club soda, salt, take a shot glass and add lemon juice, I have added 4 spoons of lemon juice. Now add sugar syrup, followed by ruh afza, now add the basil seeds and add some salt. Stir gently and set that aside. Now let's take a glass, add some club soda, now gently drop the shot glass. There you go, that's the Fuljar soda. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my recipe, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.